Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll talk about Air France Baggage Allowance. So let's get started. So when it comes to the carry-on baggage restrictions, a single bag with a measurement of 55 by 35 by 25 centimeters, which is 21.7 by 13.8 by 9.9 inches, and one personal item with a dimension of 40 by 30 by 15 centimeters, which is 16 by 12 by 6 inches. And they're basically allowed under Air France baggage policy. And the combined weight cannot be more than 12 pounds / 26 pounds. And when it comes to the checked baggage restrictions, in economy class, the weight of your luggage under 23 kilograms / 50 pounds is free of cost. And in the premium economy class, you can basically carry on 2 luggage under 23 kilogram, and it is required at no charge. And in business class, you can carry 2 baggage under 32 kilogram, which is 70 pounds of luggage are allowed for free. And in the LA Premier, you can carry 3 baggage within 32 kilogram. It is required for no fees. And when it comes to the baggage fee, according to your flight class and fare, you are allowed a certain amount of check-in luggage, and total item dimensions cannot be more than 158 centimeters. And unfortunately, no checked luggage choices are available for low and basic price. And the costs for these under Air France baggage policy starts at 25 euros online and 40 at the terminal, and you have to pay them. And when it comes to the method to add in the baggage, you can basically go to the Air France airline website, or you can call the Air France toll-free number, or buy the mobile app, or at the airport. So yeah, that was the video for today. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Cheers.